Today a small topic based on that small nuclear RNAs. So same as all different other types of RNA, this snRNA is also made up of the nucleotides but size from 90 to 300 nucleotides. They are named as a U1, U2, U4, 5, 6 and 7, where that U is given because they are rich in uracil. So basically they are present inside the nucleus. They are complex with the specific protein to form snRNPs, that is small nuclear ribonucleoprotein particles. They are also pronounced as a SNRPs. They are involved in a spliceosome formation, simple to remove intron and joining or ligation of the exon. Whenever there is an antibody produced against these nerves, they are causing a fatal autoimmune disease that is called a systemic lupus erythematosus. That is one of the important skin disorder based on that autoimmune disease. Now it is explained in this picture. There is a primary transcript is given that is also called the hnRNA. So heteronuclear RNA that is from 5' to 3' direction, which is including exon as well as intron. Now there is a snRNPs, means this particular snRNA, small nuclear RNA attached with the protein and making small nuclear ribonucleoprotein particles that will attach over the intron. When it is attached with the intron, that is making spliceosome. What is the basic activity of spliceosome? To cut this intron and ligation of these two exon 1 and exon 2 molecules. So excise intron will be removed, and when it is removed, again that snRNP are also released, and finally mature mRNA is generated. So that is basic function or basic purpose of the snRNA or snRNPs, that is called as the SNRPs. Now what about this spliceosome? So these SNRPs associated with the hnRNA at the exon intron junction form spliceosomes in the nucleus. So introns are removed and exon are ligated at G to G residue. Here what is that G to G residue? So whenever there is a cutting of this intron, these exon are joined together with the help of guanine to guanine residue. That is the importance of the spliceosome. So you don't have to confuse between that snRNP and spliceosome. Simple, snRNA combined with the protein and making SNRPs or snRNPs, and when it is attached over the intron and making a structure of the spliceosome.